Welcome to TallyHelp videos. In this video, you will understand the new capability introduced in TallyPrime Release 5.1 to convert B2B vouchers with inactive GSTINs to B2C vouchers in bulk. This will prevent rejections by the portal and delay in filing. You can convert vouchers with inactive GSTINs before upload, and vouchers rejected after upload to GSTN due to inactive GSTIN UIN. Convert before uploading to GST portal. First, identify the parties with inactive GSTIN UIN. Open GSTR1 for the period. Press F6 to view all applicable parties for that period. In the Validate Party GSTIN UIN report, press Alt-L to get each party's current status. You can see statuses like cancelled, inactive, or suspended. Press Ctrl-B. Press Enter on the basis of values screen. Select Inactive GSTIN UIN. All parties with inactive, cancelled, or suspended GSTIN UIN will appear. Next, resolve the inactive GSTIN issue. There are two ways to update. Either update the master and all related transactions or convert only specific transactions. To update the master and all related transactions, press F9 to make the report editable. Go to the GSTIN UIN field, press backspace, and change the registration type from regular to unregistered consumer. Set the effective date and save the changes. A message appears asking for confirmation to convert to B2C transactions. Press Y. TallyPrime updates the masters with the registration type and all related transactions for the period from B2B to B2C. To convert only specific transactions. As shown earlier, filter the inactive GSTIN UIN. Press F5 to view voucher-wise each B2B transaction for the inactive GSTIN UIN. Select the transactions and press Alt-V. A message appears asking for confirmation to convert to B2C transactions. Press Y. TallyPrime updates only the selected transactions for the period from B2B to B2C. Now, you will see how to convert vouchers for B2B transactions rejected by GST portal due to inactive GSTINs to B2C vouchers in bulk. Such vouchers will appear under Rejected by GST portal to be re-uploaded. Drill down. In the GSTR1 voucher register, you can see a group Inactive GSTIN UIN. Select the required transactions using space bar and press Alt-V to change only the transactions. A message appears asking for confirmation to convert to B2C transactions. Press Y. As you have seen, with TallyPrime 5.1 you can resolve issues with inactive GSTIN UIN quickly. Thank you. On any screen in TallyPrime, press Ctrl F1 to learn how to complete the task.